Don't leave your very professional stylist. Don't leave your professional stylist just for a few dollars difference. This video I'm going to share another story. One of my clients who has been purchasing my hair for 5 years. I think it's more than 5 years. One day she came to me to complain that one of her clients complained the hair after install, the hair is shedding. She said it's body weight. I was thinking it's impossible for body weight because before we ship the hair out, we brush the hair very hard few times to make sure without any shedding, then we will ship the hair out. But I asked her to send me a video.
Go to another hair vendors to get 18.
The pictures and video her clients sent to her. And from the video, I can tell that her client keep brushing from the top to the end, this. And this is not the right way. It's wrong way to brush your hair from top to end. And the hair, I can tell that the hair is shedding from the root. I asked my client, did you install the hair for her? Do you know why I asked my client if she installed the hair for her? Because I know my client is very, very professional stylist. For more than 5 years, I know she's very, very professional. She keeps purchasing my $2 hair, good quality $2 hair, without problem. And she said, you can see the screenshot. She said, it's only the second complaint from clients since 5 years. This is only the second complaint. Then I asked her, did you install the hair for your client? She said, no. Her client took the hair from her and went to another place. You see, this is why I always emphasize in my hair business, you need to be professional and you need to pay attention to the details. Don't just run away for a few dollars difference. I said to my clients, can I share this experience with my other customers? Because it's very, very good experience to share with you guys. Don't leave your professional stylist for just few dollars. Maybe her clients took the hair from my customer and went to another place to install the hair for cheaper price. Maybe the installing fees may be cheaper than my customer. So this is not a good sign. A lot of times customer complain is because they don't pay attention. This is only the second complaint, only the second shedding issues for 5 years. So I was very confident to ask my customer, did you install the hair for her? She said, no, yes, I knew that very well. That's why I asked her if she installed the hair for her clients, So I guessed it right. Her clients took the hair and went to another place to install hair, maybe just for a few dollars difference, less, something like that. And then they complain. So we analyze, we evaluate these issues very, very properly. No problem. She's my loyal customer for more than 5 years. So I'm willing to cover some cost for her. We share the cost together. And she's also very, very good customer, very understandable. So I send the new bundles to her. Of course, we cover the cost, share the cost together. And she will install the hair for her client. Don't run away from your professional stylist for just few dollars less. It's not worth it. It's not worth it doing it. And I would like to introduce this very, very professional customer stylist to you guys, because I'm telling you, she keeps purchasing my good quality $2 hair for more than 5 years without any problem. She knows how to maintain this type of good quality $2 hair. Maybe sometimes do you know why I emphasize good quality $2 hair? Because different people, they have different way, and some people are good at maintaining this hair, some people are not good at it. And do you remember one video I shared last time? You go back. I will share the link, and you go back to check that video. That customer keeps purchasing my Mejor single donor virgin hair, always. And for the last time, she switched to purchase 2 donors hair. And I reminded her, do you know you purchased the single donor hair before and this time you switched to 2 donors? Do you know that? I kept reminding her. She said no problem. She just wanted to try, you see? And the customer had a problem. The customer had a problem with me. She said 2 donors hair is not good to her. She complained. And that lady is not good neither. That lady was no good. You go back to check the video. So you see, once you are getting used to certain type of things, don't change easily before you know it, before you know the result. So keep the good things with your stylist. Keep to stick with the type of hair you are used to it. Don't change. Just for a few dollars less, you will give problem to yourself. You will give problem to your hair vendor. So this video is about the complaint about the shedding from one client, but you see, she's not installed by a professional stylist. She didn't ask my customer to install for her. So I hope you guys can learn something from this video. I will share another type of video, another story with you guys. Thank you very much.